Hey, Platinum members. Okay, check this out. Doing a little screen capture program using QuickTime. So these make for pretty good videos if you're not using QuickTime and screen capture programs. You may want to consider it. We'll talk about that at a different time, but right now I want to introduce you to what's happening on Tuesday. Just for Platinum members, only for Platinum members on Tuesday. We're going to do an advanced database marketing workshop. So this is going to be about a 3-hour long session. Normally we go 4 o'clock Eastern time to 5:30 Eastern time. Well, on Tuesday, we're going to extend that session a little bit by starting it earlier than 4. We're going to start at 2. And the reason is because I want to introduce you to some opportunities that I believe are hot right now, absolutely on fire right now, that you need to take advantage of. Okay? So I owed some newer Platinum members some training on how to get more business from databases. So I'm making good on that promise. But the primary driver for me to bring this to you on Tuesday, along with my special guests that will be on the webinar with us, is that your databases right now represent an enormous opportunity. Let me give you an idea of the agenda. Okay? The first session is going to start at 2 o'clock Eastern time and 11 a.m. Pacific time. And we're going to drill down into the advanced side of the referral marketing system. Many Platinum members are just using the monthly newsletter. They're really not going into their databases weekly and marketing to them around the relationship that you have with your worthy cause. So that's the primary purpose of that session. This is a weekly marketing system for sure to your databases. But it starts with when you bring on a brand new client, right? When we're doing the presentations, we introduce them to our relationship with a great cause. We close when we're getting the listing agreement signed or the buyer agreement signed with in the referral offer. That's when we introduce it to them the first time, right? And then, we do this every week for life, not once a month, every week. This is a regular ongoing activity to generate referrals. You want more referrals? Okay, you're going to want to be on that session. All right. Then we're going to move to the second session of the day. It's going to start around 3 o'clock Eastern time. That's noon o'clock Pacific time. And we're going to talk about your content calendar. So write that down, content calendar. There are things you should be doing on Mondays, on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays for sure, every day of every week to your databases. You want to take information to your databases so that they come back to you or they refer more people to you. Direct sales, referrals, and returning to invest in real estate. This is all done by positioning. So we're going to walk through that. And that's going to set us up for the final session of the day. We'll call this the headliner. Okay, starting at 4 o'clock Eastern time, 1 o'clock Pacific time. And this is really about what's good for you is also good for your clients. If it's good for the goose, it's good for the gander, as they say. Okay? Look, I'm into real estate investing. Okay? I like investing in real estate. I have millions of dollars in it. And you know what? I would like for everyone to do the same if you're interested, and I know you are. Craig asked me the question the other day. He goes, why come more members don't invest into the thing that they actually sell? And I'm like, well, you know what? Why don't we help them do that? So we're going to use a case study. I'm going to bring on a Platinum member, Titanium member actually, who's a really, really good real estate investor, really good at doing deals outside the norm. And we're going to use a property that's a case study. You know what I mean? We're going to take a project, and it's going to be a case study of how to find it, how to structure it, how to turn it into an actual deal that can be delivered to your databases so they will come to you wanting to invest in real estate. And of course, this will be good for you too if you want to increase your wealth investing in real estate. So it's going to be a very special day. And I want you to get this on your calendar and show up eager, ready to rock and roll on all aspects of your database. This is a database marketing workshop with the culmination or the headline, okay, the keynote being you and your bank account in net worth. All right, ready to do that? Yeah, it's going to be a good one. All right, so we will see you Tuesday, starting at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's noon Pacific Time. We're going to go to about 5:30 or so Eastern Time. That's going to be about 2:30 p.m. Pacific Time. Okay, so there you go. We'll look forward to working with you then, and I'll share more with you on how to use QuickTime as a screen capture program, and how to turn that into some pretty good still videos, slideshow videos, to actually generate leads. We're going to do that here in the upcoming month. All right, you guys good? All right, we'll talk to you on Tuesday. Until then, go serve big. See you.